Hello everyone, and this is tutorial for optimizing your Windows 7. So we're gonna start with registry tweaks. Well, basically, um, Windows 7 runs quite fast already, but sometimes your boot up or when you're running games, you're feeling quite laggy. So here it is. First, you need to download some zip files here. I'll just post it in the comments. You need to download zip file and extract it and run the file. It will ask for confirmation, accept it, restart your system to take effect, and you'll definitely experience the tweaking effect. So if you're worried what this registry script is going to do in your system, then here's what it does. It adds copy to and move to option in files and folders context menu so that you can easily copy and move them to other locations. It sets up Windows to automatically end tasks of programs which are either hanged or taking longer time than expected to exit. So it's better. You won't go to the task manager anymore. So decreases menus delay time, and it will show the submenus fast when you select their parent menu. Those menus like this and those stuff. So disables search on internet prompt in open with window so that it directly opens the program list. So just like I have no example of unknown file, so you'll just encounter that. Speeds up Explorer navigation. So this is the whole Explorer, the whole desktop, whatever that is, and this is the Explorer. This is so adds take ownership option in files and folders context menu so that you can easily take ownership of files and folders in case you want to replace them for customization purpose. So if you are quite sure about the description, you could apply the file. It's basically a script. So let's go to step 2, visual effects. Those visual effects like arrow, peak, and those arrow themes or other themes in your computer, they are making your computer slow cause of they are taking up more RAM than they need to. So you could disable them. Right click on my computer, wait, then properties. So you go here, computer properties, or press Windows button plus pause slash break key. Now click on advanced system settings in the left side pane, then now click on settings button in performance section there. So it will open another window. Disable all unnecessary options in visual effects tab. So here it is. You could set up what your Windows doing, and well, you could hasten your computer by unchecking other effects. So let's go to step 3. So folder options. Open Windows Explorer. Could you could use random. This is the Windows Explorer. So here it is. Disable files. Go to organize, then folder and search options. Then click on view. Display. Now disable the following options. Display file size information. Here it is. Those tips that's popping out when you're holding your cursor too long in a file. Hide extensions for unknown files. So here it is. So uncheck this, uncheck this, and show encrypted or compressed NTFS files. Uncheck this. Show pop-up description. Uncheck that. So let's go to step 4. Step 4, services. Just run the command services dot msc, and a window will pop up. Wait, it's kinda laggy. Here it is. So this is what it looks like. So you could manually disable the services that are not needed. So let's go to msconfig. Run msconfig the way you run the services.msc, but here type msconfig only. So here's a little window. See this? Go to startup. These are the files that's going to run when you start up. So here it's only Yahoo Messenger that's gonna run when the computer starts up. So there's no problem with that. So let's go to sound. Type run sys.tpl. Here it is. Presenter. Now go to sounds tab and select no sounds. Where the hell is it? Select this, then from the sound scheme. So when you can keep some of your favorite sounds enabled, but make sure to set exit Windows, Windows log off, Windows log on, and start navigation to none. So it's not gonna produce any sound. So it's better because, well, basically you don't need to your computer doesn't need to look for the MP3 file or WAV file for that sound. So let's go to your last step. We also have a tutorial for how to maintain your computer in terms of software. So basically defrag your disk regularly. Use OzLogix because it's a fast defragmenter, and it's way better than the default defragmenter. And install only necessary softwares. Those things that are like alien softwares, don't install them. Use the latest device drivers. Well, device drivers are the softwares used for running the video card, sound card, and those hardwares. So, and also keep your Windows up to date. And well, there you go. So this is how you optimize your Windows 7. Thank you.